Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Indian Navy. So Indian Navy is recruiting for two categories. First one is sailor for artificer apprentice, that is AA. Second one is SSR, which is senior secondary recruits. Okay, so these two category of recruitment is happening. This is a mass recruitment. Totally 25,000 vacancies is there. So please do watch this video till the end. Okay. So the recruitment is happening from Indian Navy, and this is a recruitment for unmarried males. Only those candidates should watch this video. Others can skip this video. Okay. So the recruitment is happening for AA and SSR. AA is having 500 openings and SSR is having 2000 openings. So totally 500 plus 2000, 2500 vacancies is there. Now let us see the details of qualification. So they are just asking plus 2 qualification here, 10 plus 2. The qualification of AA is 10 plus 2 with 60% of aggregate marks in maths and physics, and at least one subject, that is chemistry, biology or computer science, you should have studied. Same with the case of SSR also. So 12th plus qualification they are asking. Okay. So if you are an unmarried male with this qualification, you should definitely try for this. Age limit they have given us. Candidate should be born in between 1st Feb 2001 to 31st July 2004. In between these dates, and also both the dates are inclusive. If you are born in between these dates, you are eligible here. Let us see about the pay and allowances. So initially you will be having training. During the training period, you will be getting a stipend, that is 14,600 per month will be the stipend. On successful completion of the training, you will be placed to level 3 and the scale of pay will be 21,700 to 69,100. In addition, they will be paying 5,200 rupees per month. So that is going to be the pay level. After that, you will be getting a promotion and the level of pay will be 47,600 to 1,51,100. Okay. So this is the pay level. The stipend also is very good. 14,600. It is the initial stipend during the training period. Okay. So other details also, what are the benefits that you are going to get, the insurance detail, everything they have mentioned here. Okay. Next, let us move on to the selection criteria. Very clearly they have mentioned, due to the COVID pandemic situation, an exception is made in the public interest wherein only 10,000 candidates will be called for the written examination and PFT. Here, due to the COVID situation, in order to select 2,500 people, they will be only calling 10,000 candidates. Okay, so they have cut short the number of candidates being called for selection. Okay, so the shortlisting will be happening based on the written examination and PFT. What is PFT? It is physical fitness test. This is a Navy recruitment, so there will be definitely physical test. Okay. So let us first move on to the written test details. Written test will be consisting of a question paper which is in bilingual. Hindi and English language will be there. Question paper will be consisting of 4 sessions and English, science, maths, general knowledge, all these areas you have to cover. Okay. Another thing, the standard question paper will be of plus 2 level and the syllabus will be obtaining in the website of Indian Navy. Okay. So you'll get the syllabus on Indian Navy. Duration will be for 1 hour. All candidates appearing for the written examination would be subjected to PFT on the same day. Okay. Everything they have mentioned here with clarity. So if you are writing the examination, that is written examination on the day, probably on the afternoon, you will be giving the physical test. Okay. Now, what all things are there for the physical test? Physical test is mandatory for selection. Then it will be consisting of 1.6 kilometer run completed in 7 minutes. Then 20 squats, 10 push-ups. These are the things you have to give. Okay. Candidates undergoing PFT will do so at their own risk. Okay. So they have just given the details. So the details of the physical test also they have given here. Okay. So you should be ready for the physical test also. Now, the cutoff mark for issue of the call letter for final enrollment medical examination at INS Chilka may vary from state to state for SSR entry. Okay. So other important things also they have given here. So the final selection will be happening based on the marks of this two, physical test and the written test. Okay. Medical standard also they have given. We know that for joining the Navy, you have to maintain certain physical standards like vision standards, your body height, weight, everything you have to keep. So that also they have given here. So if you are interested, please go through this session. Okay. Next, let us talk about the training and the initial engagement. So very clearly they have mentioned that initially there will be a training. Only after that you will be getting promoted to your permanent pay level or your permanent position. Okay. The training will be from August 2021. So this is actually a selection for August batch. August 2021 batch they are calling for. Okay. Now the weeks of training is for AA, that is for the sailor, 9 weeks of training and 22 weeks of training for SSR. Okay. And it will be happening in INS Chilka. Okay. So other details also they have mentioned here. You can read it. Now let us move on to the application process. We have already seen the selection criteria or the selection process. Let us move on to the application process. For the entry, the candidates can apply online on Indian Navy website. You have to go to this website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in and you can apply from 26th April to 30th April. It is not a very long span of time. Within that time period, you have to apply. Okay, 30th April is the last date. So when I'm making this video, it is 27th. There is only 3 days left. Now, don't comment after 30th that this is a fake update or this is not valid because it will get deactivated. Okay, so 30th April is the last date. Okay, so what all things you have to do to apply? You have to log in. You have to see the current opportunities. You have to apply online. You have to upload your photograph, everything. And also they have mentioned that you have to upload your photograph with good quality, with blue background. Okay, everything very clearly they have given here. Another thing, they'll be charging 60 rupees plus GST from everybody for the processing fees, I think. Okay, so the application will be maybe uploaded from the common services centers across the country against a fixed fees for 60 plus GST. Okay, so these are the details of application procedure. Okay, so if you are interested, you should definitely try for this. All the unmarried male candidates only. Okay, only those candidates can apply for this. Last date also we have seen it is 30th of April. Very 2 or 3 days is only left. Please do apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so that's all about the job update from Indian Navy. I'm trying to bring up maximum government and private job updates as possible. Some job updates, especially for the private job updates, they don't give the last date. So many people are commenting regarding the last date. They don't give last dates. So if I'm seeing the last date, I will definitely say that in the video itself. Okay. So here, if you see this recruitment, this is for the August 2021 batch. So if you are willing to join at that period or if you are ready to join at that period, only then you should apply for this. We have seen how long will be the training, what is going to be the selection process and everything. So please do apply for it. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.